What's going on, guys? Let's redo that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're gonna be working on my cousin's C8. We're gonna be installing some splash guards, spacers, and adjusting the stock coilovers. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you wanna see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so on the front side here, for the stock splash guard, you're just gonna pull these tabs out, but first you're actually gonna take out this screw right here. Screw from the bottom, and then you just pull the tabs out there. So same with the back one, you have this bottom screw here. The size is 932 to take off the screw, and then just pry it off. When you're prying it, make sure to use one of these car panel removal tools. That way you don't mess up the paint. So on here you see it says RH rear, which would be right hand rear. And that's if you're sitting in the steering wheel, or you're sitting in the driver's seat, your right hand from that direction, not if you're looking at the front of the car. So on these rear ones, there's only one tab right here that's gonna go in that hole, and the front one has two. And then the last step, don't forget to put the screw back on the bottom. So on the front one, it's gonna have two tabs. That's how you know it's for the front. And they're gonna slide right in there. And that's it, and then do the bottom screw. So now that the splash guards are done, we're gonna go ahead and start working on the spacers. So you're gonna want a flathead to take off the plastic thread locker. That's what this yellow stuff's called. So now that they're all peeled off with a flathead screwdriver, all the yellow is off, you're gonna go ahead and put the spacer on. And they provide you with the nuts to go ahead and tie on the old studs, or not old, but the stock studs. And you're gonna torque it to 140 pounds. So once they're all torqued to 140 foot-pounds, you can go ahead and put the wheel on and you're good to go, and you're gonna be using these new studs here for your wheels. Now we're gonna go ahead, adjust the coilovers to give it a little bit of a drop. So this plastic right here, you pretty much pry it down and it'll slide off. And then we're gonna go ahead and start loosening the coilovers. So once the plastic's down, we're gonna be using these two here to adjust the coilovers. There you go, loosen. How low can you go? So on this front one, it's a little awkward to get to, but I already took the plastic down, pried it with two flatheads. You just kind of pry one down and you kind of spin it because you need to get it under the lip. It's like on a lip. So once you get it under the lip, keep turning it and then pull it down. It slides right down. And then you put the big tool on here, small one down here, and I already loosened it. So as you can see, the bottom one is spinning that way. So we're gonna spin it all the way down to, well, let's see what he wants to go to actually. Be prepared to be here for like 15-20 minutes doing this. So as you guys can see in the video, the install is pretty easy and it makes the car look aggressive. I'll have my cousin send me the links to the parts and tools that he has, so I can leave them in the description down below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks.